that we know how to say our name, ask someone's name, tell where we are from, let us learn numbers. Let us learn the numbers from 1 to 5. 1 is Ondu, 2 is Yeradu, 3 is Muru, 4 is Nalku, and 5 is Aidu. Let us look at some examples to learn the numbers better. 1 computer is Vandu computer. 2 pens, Yeradu pens. 3 cars, Muru cars. 4 houses, Nalku houses. And 5 fingers, Aidu fingers. So now let us look at some practical examples. Say you go to a hotel and you want to order a cup of tea. What would you do then? Let's learn a new word, Kodi. Kodi in Kannada is give. Give 1 cup of tea. In Kannada, Vandu tea kodi or Vandu chai kodi. Similarly, give 2 cups of coffee is Yeradu cup coffee kodi. Give 3 glasses of juice is Muru juice kodi. Give 4 idlis is Nalku idli kodi. Give 5 dosa is Aidu dosa kodi. So now let us revise. 1 is Vandu, 2 is Yeradu, 3 is Muru, 4 is Nalku, 5 is Aidu. We also learnt a new word, Kodi, which means give. For example, Vandu chai kodi, give 1 tea.